What if your next study session could be faster, clearer, and more organized without spending money? In this video, I'm ranking 5 free AI websites and apps that can help students write better, research smarter, create stronger presentations, and revise for exams. This list is ranked from number 5 to number 1. Free plans can have limits, and some education features depend on your school or country, so always check the latest terms before you start. At number 5, Grammarly. If your essays, emails, applications, or reports need a quick quality check, Grammarly is a useful starting point. Its free tools can help catch grammar, spelling, punctuation, clarity, and tone problems. Students can paste in a paragraph, review the suggestions, and learn why a sentence sounds confusing. Use it as an editor, not as a replacement for your own ideas. The best workflow is simple. Write your draft first, then use Grammarly to polish it. Number 4 is Canva. Students can use Canva free to build presentations, study posters, resumes, documents, and visual project work. It is especially useful when you know what you want to explain but do not know how to make it look professional. Start with a presentation or document template, add your own research, and use AI features only to brainstorm or organize ideas. University students can start with Canva free, while K-12 students may need an invitation from their teacher or school for Canva education. At number 3, ChatGPT. A free account can help explain difficult topics in simpler language, brainstorm project ideas, create practice questions, analyze some files, and support coding practice. Try this prompt. Explain this topic like a patient tutor, then quiz me with 5 questions. That last part matters. Instead of asking for an assignment to copy, ask for hints, examples, feedback, and a study plan. Free tools and limits can change, so use the answers as a learning aid and verify important facts. Number 2 is Perplexity, a strong choice for web research. It searches for current information and presents answers with sources, which makes it easier to follow up and check where a claim came from. Students can use it to create a research starting point, compare viewpoints, find definitions, or build a list of sources for deeper reading. The free standard plan offers practically unlimited basic searches, but advanced searches, uploads, and premium models are limited. Never paste a citation into your project without opening and checking the original source. And number 1 is NotebookLM, also known as Gemini Notebook. What makes it stand out is that it works from the sources you provide. Upload lecture notes, PDFs, articles, or a study guide, then ask questions about those materials. It can help create summaries, reports, flashcards, quizzes, mind maps, and audio overviews. That makes it excellent for exam preparation. The free standard tier has daily and notebook limits, but it still gives students a powerful, source-grounded study workflow. My favorite method is to upload your notes, ask for a 1-page revision guide, then request a quiz that focuses only on the topics you got wrong. Remember, AI can make mistakes, and your school may have rules about AI-assisted work. Use these tools to understand, practice, organize, and improve, not to submit work you do not understand. Which tool would you put at number 1? Comment below and subscribe for more practical AI tools for students.